In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course on Wix. If you've ever wanted to share your expertise with a wider audience or perhaps generate some additional income, creating a course on Wix is a fantastic way to do just that. Let's start by ensuring you're logged into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, if you manage multiple websites, select the specific site where you want to add your courses. This step is crucial because it directs your changes to the right place. After choosing the correct website, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. From this central hub, click on Design Site to start editing. Within your website editor, you need to add a new section. So click on Add Section and then select Bookings. This is an important step because bookings allow you to integrate your courses smoothly. Here you'll be given a variety of templates to choose from. Take your time to browse through these options and select the template that best fits the style and layout that you envision for your course. Once you have chosen a template, click on Quick Edit for that particular template, followed by Manage Services. In the Manage Services section, you'll notice options for adding different types of offerings such as classes and appointments. While these are useful, our focus today will be solely on creating and managing courses. Click Edit next to the Courses or Corporate Seminar category. This is where the fun begins because you can design and structure your course from scratch, tailoring it to your specific goals and curriculum. Clicking Edit will open up a host of customization options for your course. You can set the name of your seminar or course and configure all the intricacies like descriptions and contents as per your preferences. Each of these details can play a pivotal role in drawing in prospective participants, so feel free to explore these settings in depth. Consider what information would most appeal to someone deciding whether or not to enroll. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and feel satisfied with how your course is shaping up, it's time to settle everything by clicking Save. And just like that, you've created a course on Wix. This process not only allows you to share your knowledge, but also potentially earn from it in the digital space. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.